Hello everyone, welcome to another activity. Today's animal is octopus. Have you ever seen one? Octopus is famous for the 8 tentacles and bulbous head. They primarily live in ocean and they are famous for having 3 hearts, no bones and ink blood which they squirt on the predators to distract them. They can easily squeeze into and squeeze out of a tight space due to their boneless nature. Now, let's get into today's craft. Today we are going to be making this cute craft of octopus. This is so adorable. So, let's get started. Okay, so for this craft activity, we will need a light purple colored chart paper, a pair of scissors, a glue, an eraser, a marker, a pencil, and a scale. Okay, so first we will start with this chart paper. We will start by drawing lines on this. You can take any lengths of lines. Make sure they are equal. While we are at it, did you know that octopus live in oceans all over the world? Most of the pelagic, meaning they live near the water surface in shells, reefs and crevices. Some species live on floor of the oceans, making their homes out of the cave. Most of their habitat tends to be solitary, though they interact with other octopuses at times. Some species of octopuses hunt at night, while others only hunt at dusk and dawn. There we are done. Now we will start by cutting all of these. Now that we are done cutting, we will now proceed to another stage. We will keep these aside. We will take another paper and draw a circle on it. I will use this tape for a huge circle that I want. Fill in all the spaces, as many as you can. While we are at it, did you know that octopus are carnivores, which means they eat meat? Meals can include clams, shrimps, lobsters, fish, sharks and even birds. Octopus typically drop down on their prey, envelop it around their arms and pull the animal towards their mouth. And also, octopus have a short lifespan. Now that we are done with this, we have completely enveloped this with stripes. We will keep this aside and we will take another paper. We will use this one only and we will start drawing the strips again. But this time it will be more wavy. We are going to be drawing the tentacles of the octopus. There, we are done with the tentacles. Now we will attach these. Now that we are done attaching this, we will give octopus some eyes. I have cut these two circles. Now we will draw over these. There, we are done with the octopus. This is the final craft. And that's it for today's activity. I hope you guys enjoyed the craft activity and learned something more about octopus. Thank you so much for watching.